Welcome to my channel. This video is for a different technique for making the 3-ribbon spirit chain. For this technique, you need to start out with a regular spirit chain. If you don't know how to make a regular spirit chain, I will put a link on the top. They're called cards, and when you see those cards slide by during the video, click on those and it'll show 5 different videos that you can go to, and one of those will be for the regular spirit chain. I will also put links for different ways to make this 3-ribbon spirit chain. Now on this one, I'm going to be weaving in 2 different ribbons. I'm using a glitter and a holographic. When you use these glitter or holographic ribbons, the inside of the ribbons is not pretty, so you really have to double them up when you're using them on braids and chains like this, because one side will be pretty and then the other side will be ugly. So that's why I'm using 2, and I just wanted it to look different, so that's why I'm doing a glitter and a holographic. So one side of the spirit chain is going to be holographic and the other side is going to be glitter. So you can do double the holographic, double the glitter. Just make sure you double them up. Otherwise, like I said, half the spirit chain will be pretty and then the other half will be not so pretty. So I'm just weaving this ribbon in. I don't know how else to say it, but I start at the very end, and for me, I like to start on the pointed end. It just works better for me that way. You could probably start either end, but that's just the way I started doing it. I wanted to see if I could add a 3rd ribbon to a spirit chain without actually folding the 3 ribbons to make the 3-ribbon spirit chain, or some people call it a deluxe spirit chain. And so I just played around and it worked. So I started doing this quite a bit this last season, so I wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how I did that. But when you're using 2 ribbons like this for the 3rd color or 3rd ribbon, it is more difficult to weave it in and out, as you can tell, and they don't line up exactly. But if you're just using a regular acetate, you know, in a solid color, it's much easier and it goes much faster. But for this one, since I've doubled up the ribbons, it does take longer. But I wanted to show a video more difficult, you know, with doing the 2 ribbons, make it a little bit more difficult and show you how it is, how to do the 2 ribbons. But like I said, doing it with the 3rd, just plain ribbon, much easier, much faster. It went by really quickly. And spirit chains are really easy to make, and they're really quick to make anyway, so adding that 3rd ribbon was really quick. And it doesn't take any time at all, so it's a good one to add to your mums. And you could do a 3-ribbon one and a regular one on your mums to do 2 different things. So this just gives you another option. You just want to take your time and make sure you crease those ribbons. I'm just going to show you quickly going through several of this. This was, I believe, a 30-inch chain, so I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm just going to show you part of it, see what it looks like, so you get the idea. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. There will be more Homecoming Mom videos to come. Don't worry, I've got several that are already videoed. I just have to edit and voice over them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams. And please comment, but please be kind with your comments. Don't forget to share my videos and support me however you can. I appreciate each and every one of you. And please be kind to others, and happy mum making and happy crafting, everyone. And if you have any requests for things you want to see, please comment, but please don't do that during homecoming season. That is my busiest time, and it is virtually impossible for me to take requests at that time. So spring, summer, those are the times for you to make requests. Thank you.